Welcome to Rising Sun Astrology's Daily Dose of Destiny.
For Friday, June 17th, 2016. At 12 noon Mountain Daylight Time, the Sun still sits at 27 degrees Gemini, while the cards that govern June 17th are the King of Clubs, Jack of Diamonds. At 12 noon, the Moon in Scorpio forms an inconjunct with the Sun in Gemini, while it septiles Pluto in Capricorn and trines Chiron in Pisces. Mercury, the ruler of the Sun in Gemini, forms a crescent phase quintile with Chiron in Pisces. Venus in Gemini transitioning into Cancer is forming a disseminating biquintile with Mars retrograde in Scorpio. Venus in Gemini is also forming a first quarter biseptile with the South Node in Pisces. Mars retrograde is shown here in a gibbous phase inconjunct with Uranus in Aries. Saturn retrograde in Sagittarius forming an exact square with Neptune retrograde in Pisces. As Saturn retro also is in a biseptile with Chiron in Pisces. The North Node in Virgo is forming a first quarter trine with Pluto retrograde in Capricorn, while the South Node is in a sextile formation with Pluto. The Sabian symbol is the same as yesterday's, which is 27 degrees Gemini, a gypsy emerging from the forest wherein her tribe is encamped. The keynote implies reaching out toward participation in a larger whole of mind-structured existence. The cards that govern June 17th are the King of Clubs, Jack of Diamonds. The King of Clubs begins in the spiritual spread in the Jupiter-Saturn position, and in the world spread moves to the Uranus position. The King of Clubs life spread behind the Mercury glyph shows the Jack of Diamonds. Behind the Jack of Diamonds is the Seven of Clubs, which is the Mercury vertical influence. The Jack of Diamonds life spread primarily occupies the Neptune lines. Beginning in the spiritual spread, the Jack of Diamonds occupies the Uranus-Venus position, and in the world spread moves to the Uranus-Neptune position. The karma cards for the King of Clubs are the Two of Spades, Eight of Spades. The karma cards for the Jack of Diamonds are the Three of Spades, Jack of Clubs. The King of Clubs gives energy to the Two of Spades while it receives energy from the Eight of Spades. The Jack of Diamonds gives energy to the Three of Spades while it receives energy from the Jack of Clubs. For those born today, June 17th, happy solar return.
For more information or your year in review, contact me at risingsunastrology.com or risingsunastrology@gmail.com.